Stupid ass hoes, stupid ass hoes, stupid ass hoes. I was like, stupid ass bitch, man, please get the fuck out my face. Stupid ass hoe, man, just please get the fuck out my face. Stupid ass hoes, stupid ass hoes.
Hey bro, talk about Monique.
Stupid ass hoes, stupid ass hoes, stupid ass hoes. First off, bitch, first met you was chillin', man, you was cool. Next thing you know, you was on some bull. Bitch, that ain't cool. What you mean? Now you act like a fool. Who you think you cool? Tryna be like me, cause you envy me. I'm a real motherfucking G. You ain't nobody. I don't give a fuck, think you're a hot T, but you're not. You just keys in my bop. I don't give a damn, Adrian, he won't stop. Nigga, damn, nigga, what it do? Fuck that bitch, I don't love my kid, fool. I don't give a fuck who the motherfuckers who. I'ma stab that bitch, I'ma take it to the tomb. One fucking day, take it to a grave. I don't give a damn, man, treat it like a slave. It's your boy Chin, doing what it does. Nigga, fuck that bitch, motherfucker, number one, big fucking G. Now I got a girl named Daisy. She don't even trip. All I got to say, she a real ass bitch. Guess what, nigga? I can do what I wanna. I don't give a damn. I can smoke marijuana. I can pop bars. I can do anything. AJ ain't gon' trip like Monique would, man. That's a real fact. That's a real story. Fuck that bitch, nigga. Fuck that story. Back in the day, man, wasting lots of time. Now right here, I ain't got to do no crimes. Cause that bitch had me mad, had me fucking do this fucked up shit. Fuck that bitch. Got me in some depths in some apartments, man. Fuck that shit. And my niggas helped her out, so I cut him off, told him what it's all about. Told him when I see him, we gon' fucking catch paper. I don't give a damn, I'ma holler at him later. I'ma be like, pussy ass nigga, remember me? I don't give a fuck, I'ma beat that nigga B. Beat that nigga who? Beat that Cristiano, and that nigga Frank, and the Sabrino, and that nigga Tanner. Yeah, Tanner Troy. I'ma fucking have that beat his ass, fucking boy. If he wanna grab the candy toys, I don't give a fuck, man, I'm down to make some noise. Nigga, how you feeling? Cause I'm feeling like a G. You don't ever wanna fuck with me. Fuck Monique. I don't give a fuck, man, I roll 1 deep, roll 2 deep, roll 3 deep, roll 4 deep in these streets. If they wanna go, they can watch the leak. I don't give a damn, never on.